Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Signal System course. Oh, in this course, we will study about different signals and systems types and its operation. First of all, start with signal. What is called signal? अगर सिग्नल को हम उर्दू में लिखाएंगे तो इशारे, तो हम क्या सिग्नल को किसको कहते हैं? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सिग्नल की डेफिनेशन, एनी सिग्नल डिफाइंड एज एन single valued function of one or independent variable and contains information. Signal is a set of data which convey information, which can be in any form like video signal, acoustic signals, etc., which can convey information. Even when we write the signal in a mathematical form, we have two variables, two type of variable. One are independent and there are some dependents. जैसे कि इंडिपेंडेंट की मीनिंग ही नेम इज कॉल्ड आज़ाद, जो जिसकी वैल्यू किसी भी चीज़ पे डिपेंड करती है, वो डिपेंड नहीं करती, वो अपने आप जो भी वैल्यू होगी उसकी एक्चुअल वैल्यू होगी. ऑन द अदर एंड, एज पर द नेम सजेस्ट, डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स आर दोज वेरिएबल्स whose values depends on other variables. For example, let's take example of y is equal to mx plus c, a simplification of line where x can have any value. You can take 0, 1, 2, 3 and etc. Its value doesn't depend on anything. On the other side, the value of y depend on x. If you put value of x is equal to 0, then this something value of y comes out. It means y has dependency on x. So y is called dependent variable and x is called independent variable. Similar situation is for the signals, where they are independent variables and dependent variables. So in most of the form, the signal which is one-dimensional signal. The one-dimensional signal is that whose has only one independent variable, which is mostly is time. So we conclude the signal is a set of information, set of data which convey information. Signal can mathematically be formed using two variables, independent and dependent. The number of independent variables defines its dimensionality, means the signal which has only one independent variable is called one-dimensional signal. The signal which has two independent variables is called two-dimensional signal, which is whose examples is picture, just like the simple picture which you take from mobile is an example of a 2D signal, and for the 3D which has three independent variables. जैसे कि आपके सामने ये जो वीडियो चल रही है अभी, ये एक 3 डायमेंशनल सिग्नल का मॉडल है, एग्जांपल है. सो दैट्स आर्टिकल. नाउ वी कम्स टू द टाइप्स ऑफ सिग्नल्स. Signals can variables can be of two types, either are continuous or discrete. Continuous is the one whose values varies continuously, which doesn't have gap in between the two values, which can't be separated from each other. And discrete variables are those whose values are discrete, which can be counted. Either if we say continuous means which are not countable, in simple terms if we understand that. The discrete variable are those whose values are discrete. For example, take a cake of piece. If it is full package, you don't see from start to end any point that there is a separated. They are continuous from start to end. But if you slice the cake piece in different form, whatever the width you took, it will be now discrete because you have separated each piece of cake. Okay, I hope you got this and you must have understood that. Now the electronic signals are how they are graphically drawn. For two dimension for the signal there are two axes, one as x axis, other is y axis. एक तो एक्स एक्सिस है दूसरा वाई एक्सिस. एक्सिस पे क्या होता है हमारा मोस्टली जो जिनमें इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल हमारा टाइम है, सो वो एक्स एक्सिस भी होता है, और बाकी जो हमारा डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है वो जो कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिग्नल्स में या जो हम वोल्टेज या करंट के फॉर्म में सिग्नल्स जो होते हैं वो एम्पलीट्यूड ही होता है. तो उनके लिए यहाँ पे ग्राफिक फॉर्म के एक जनरल फॉर्म दिया हुआ है. एक ओरिजिन होता है, एक्स और वाई एक्सिस होते हैं जिसपे हम सिग्नल्स को ड्रॉ करते हैं, जो कि हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है. नाउ here we comes